beautiful stone. You can see there. We've got the sink in, and these cabinets are going to get stained to match the floor. I think came out really well, and they're super thrilled with it. They kind of originally had a sofa over there and 2 chairs here, and gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We got these big mirrors, which are so much fun. We have sconces coming.
We sure do. They should be shipping this week.
We got this chandelier up from Visual Comfort. Starting a new year with a new project, and they've already started the demo. So this is a house that we're gonna have a major renovation on. It's an old kind of Spanish Mediterranean style sort of house. So an exciting day. The roof is going up.
I'm gonna say 3 2 by. I'm just gonna say 6s right now. Let it hang down about a 1/4 inch lower than that.
Getting all the seams floated in. Looks like they're laying out the tile for the bathroom floor. So here we can see the 3 coats of how you do stucco. Where first you put on the lath, and then you put on the first coat of the stucco, which has this kind of texture to it, and now he's putting on the final coat and smoothing it out. And this is actually an important point. This is where he's creating a control joint. If we were to do this in one big sheet, it would crack, which wouldn't be good. We're in the mudroom. You can see we've got lots of storage. All the floors are being covered. They haven't put the final coat on the floors, but they've done the first coat. And then you've got all the cubbies for more storage on this side. And then this is the bar. And the homeowner picked this really pretty, beautiful stone. You can see there. We've got the sink in. And these cabinets are going to get stained to match the floor. So this is going to be the library. Again, they're prepping all the old windows for paint. We're basically down to the painting. You can see here's the porch on the other side. And then we get to these 2 openings, which are symmetrical, and this is going to be the breakfast room, and this is going to be the kitchen. And as per usual, Milo and Renee worked their utter magic and created these really, really beautiful cabinets. Here you can see the stone again, which has this big mitered edge, but you can see you've got no hardware. And then when you get back here, you've got the space for the bed, a TV right there, and then we created architecturally this nook to have a couch, you know, a little seating area right here. The primary bathroom is looking so beautiful as we've got the stove coming in. So you can see, again, this is Renee and Milo just having done an incredible feat with getting all this in and all the beautiful cabinetry. And we've got this cabinetry in next to on either side of the tub. You can see the tub. So again, taking moments to add extra storage in here. Super good, super beautiful. Then you come back through here, and the shower is all tiled. We can kind of get a picture of that. Up through the ceiling, just really beautiful. Simple but elegant with those little extra details of the chair rail, moving scales of tile. We've got the bench back there, and across from that is the toilet room, and back here is the big closet. I just love this landing as part of what's come of the house. It's just perfect, and they're so lucky to have all the greenery on the property line here. And so, yeah, this is gonna be great. And finally, here's the last of the kids' bedrooms, big closet. Final end product, but as it goes, this one has been rather fast to get it up and going. So anyway, thanks y'all for watching. So we are here. This is a house that I didn't do anything to the back of this, but we're going to be redoing the living room. So this is mainly an interior design project, but as always, I look at the architecture. So we started looking at these bookcases, and we're going to completely revamp this bookcase wall and then change out all the furniture. The kids are getting a little older, so they don't need this little play table. So we're going to do more of a adult game table with some nice comfy chairs, and we're going to put a sectional in here. This living room, which I think came out really well, and they're super thrilled with it. They kind of originally had a sofa over there and 2 chairs here, and these were really old bookshelves. And so what we did is we created all these new built-ins, gave them lots and lots of storage. And of course, we put this amazing wallpaper from Private all the way around, which just gives the most amazing feel when you're sitting in this room. And then we did this big sectional. Leonelle's upholstered it and custom built it for us. Milo and Renee did the custom legs for me. We upholstered it in this Schumacher velvet, along with this little chartreuse colored piping. And then we've got kind of these fun pillows all to break it up. We use this really fun fabric from Pierre Frey. And also, when we make our drapes, you can see Narcissus does them for us, where we get a inner lining, a black outlining. I think this is the black outlining, and 2 layers of inner lining. So it gives them this really luxurious, heavy feel. And then here we've used the shearer fabric from Schumacher, this little kind of pinstripe. And then we used another fabric to create our own trim to give it that kind of chartreuse detailing. And so I think it's just a really pretty room, which gives a really nice feel. And the other thing, as you can see, we painted the ceiling the same color as the built-ins that we put in. And Tripp did most of the renovation. I know I did a little bit of filming here in one other episode. Showing y'all a little bit of updates of this house. Milo and Renee were here earlier putting this bar area in, which looks absolutely amazing. Yeah, this is going to be really beautiful. As you can see here, we've got this little amazing water faucet thing that comes, and that's like a little drain line, but this is just like a little water tap that you turn on and off. We've got these 2 really pretty sconces that are going to go up here. And then this is for our electrical outlets. So we've got one on either side, here and here. We're either going to mirror this or put a painting up. We've got to get some hardware, but we've got a cabinet here, and we've got a refrigerator drawer here for drinks. And then coming into the bedroom, we've still got a lot to do on furniture. But we've got this fun, more modern fixture by Kelly Wessler up here. You can see all the paneling. That beautiful fan light window, which matches some detailing on the front of the house. The cove ceilings, these ceilings were already dropped, so that's why we ended up amazing, I think. In fact, I hadn't seen it with the faucet And Chase and his crew did the most amazing job of creating this curved marble corner, which is really not easy to do. So this back is just, I'm so thrilled. I can't wait to get a piece of artwork. We're gonna do some shades for either side of here, and these vanities as well, I think are just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We've got these big mirrors, which are so much fun. We have sconces coming.
We sure do. They should be shipping this week.
We got this chandelier up from Visual Comfort. All these faucets are just absolutely gorgeous with the hardware. Let's see, what else do we have? We've got the top drawers don't work, but you still put hardware there. And then you've got the bottom drawers. We've got some electrical to come in. We've got the marble insets. We've got the medicine cabinets that go here. We've got the hooks. Medicine cabinets kind of go away. What else do we do special? Again, I just kind of want us to make these vanities and sell them. I think they're so pretty. The turn blades and Chase did the most beautiful job of the curving of this marble. We've got all the hooks. This is a huge linen closet. Will be a huge linen closet in here. And then this shower is really, really beautiful. Come on in.
Come on in.
Here's where we've got the controls so you can easily grab here. Obviously this is your hand spray. And then we added that little bit of light right up under here in the marble. We've got can lights up there, and this is a steam shower. So I think the steam piece is coming here. We hid the drain up under the vent sheet, so it's a linear drain up there, and then you've got your beautiful shower head right there. And that will get a glass door. And then here we've got the laundry. We also have this really pretty hardware that I picked that kind of goes with what they have, but it's a little bit different. It really dresses it up. And then this is your toilet room here. So I think this bathroom really came out beautiful. I can't wait to get the sconces up, and